Oh my god. It reminds me of my friend Drama. Try eating the cheesecake. Americans did better. I just burnt my card just to take the vanilla flavored to taste the vanilla flavored cheesecake, and now I'm trying to taste one. It's very good. I'm very sure Amir will like this. This is very, very good. Very good. Very, very good. I have no idea how Americans had the idea to make such a delicious cake. As of now, I'm eating my fabulous food. No. The flavor, it's giving the ick. I'm just kidding. I forgot that. I already forgot that guy. Say, the food is very good and nothing much very special about this flavor. I would say, if people were to tell me what to rate it, I would say 7 over 10 because like their flavor, it's just pure vanilla, but then it's too sweet. I have a friend from Colorado.
Is that true?
Yeah, that is true. He's 55 years old. You know, I remember when I was 8, when I eat cheesecake, I saw my cousin, yung pamangkin ko. He is yes.
Kasing is pinsan.
Yung pinsan ko, his laro the ano yan yung pag-ignite mo? Yung the matchbox pala? Matchbox. Right. Yeah, so I have 2 pet spiders and my small spider died because the big spider kept eating. After we buried the spider next to our kamote plantation.